Jackson loves Coke. Phoenix loves Coke. But who loves it more?
I love it more.
Fight! Alright. What are you joking? Oh, you joking? We're going to put it in the microwave.
Monday.
Microwave Monday! Yeah! Alright.
So today we got a letter from Lilies and Katie saying...
Hi, Lilies and Katie.
Yeah, they're our biggest fans. Okay, so they said...
Biggest fan.
So they said they love Coke, but what happens if you put it in the microwave? Interesting question.
That is an interesting question, Jackson.
That's what happens.
They explode and the Coke comes out.
Oh, do you think they're going to explode and the Coke's going to come out?
Yeah, I know that.
Well, let's find out.
That's it. Very
Go! Alright, guys, before we get the Coke in the microwave, what do we have to do?
Shake it up.
Shake it up.
3, 2, 1, shake party.
It's well shaken now. Alright, let's go into the microwave. Okay, for safety, we're getting rid of the children. Bye, kids. Okay, guys, so we're going to put this in the microwave. The kids are free. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the wee baby packs. Have you ever seen have they stopped doing them? I don't know. But anyway, here we go. We're going to put it in the microwave. Let's go.
The plastic might just melt.
I think it probably will just melt and pop off.
Actually, don't do that.
What happened there? Was it too much power? It's killed my electricity.
What just happened?
It's actually tripped my electric.
So the electric keeps going off in Daddy's office, so we need to use the power in the house.
Oh, the bottom, look, the bottom has popped out.
What is it?
The bottom has popped out.
Listen.
It's going to go.
Wait.
You see at the bottom there's no wee ridges anymore.
No.
Where?
Oh my god.
Should we take it out?
Ah, turned off.
Should we take it out? Take it out. Let's take it out. Let's take it out.
No, because it's about to go.
Ah!
Daddy,
Sorry, dude. Come back, Jackson.
Right, Jaxie, up in your wee chair.
Okay, come back.
it's like a wee bubble thing.
Guys, keep...
Totally expanded. Oh, lovely. Oh.
That is
On my hand.
disgusting.
I just farted and died.
Oh, it's starting to go around the neck. Look, it's starting to go at the neck.
What do you mean?
Oh my gosh, that's gonna explode. Oh my god.
I just exploded.
Oh no. Is it exploding or is it melting in the plastic? Ah! I think it's killed my microwave as well.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Look at it. Can we look at it?
Okay, that's sockets. Oh man. Okay, hold on.
I want to have a drink.
Oh, it's so messy.
Mommy,
It's all exploded. Look.
It's actually
Oh my gosh, it's actually really stinky.
Can I try some?
But I think it's because the eggs that were done in this microwave
try
in
some?
the last video.
You can see where, hang on, you can see there where it's so deformed. Look.
Oh, it's so odd.
I'm not so weird.
Fentimans Cola. We're going to try a glass bottle. Yeah, Jackson? Jackson's playing with his dog. Just like that. That keeps him busy for a while. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! I missed
Okay,
That was actually quicker than the plastic bottle.
that went in less than 5 minutes, so here we go. And it's still going.
I missed it.
And it didn't explode out of the microwave. Oh no, it did, it did, it did.
So
Can I show you something?
the lid has actually blew off this one.
Tashi, let's see. Or Jaxie. Oh, it smells so good, this one.
Hot.
What are you gonna try?
Warm Coke.
Ugh.
It doesn't even taste like Coke.
Doesn't it? Why
How
not?
it taste?
It doesn't taste like anything.
Good.
It doesn't taste like anything.
I
It
tried.
tastes like freezy pop.
I
warm.
tried.
You know, it's melted.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Let's see, Kashi. Let's see you drink it, Pat.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Oh. I don't think Cash likes it.
Okay, so I had an idea. We could put Mentos in a Coke bottle and then put it in the microwave. Let's find out what happens.
Are you going to do all 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so scared. Three.
You need to put them in quicker than that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my goodness me!
Okay, we got 2 in. That was decent.
You only got 2 in.
We got 3.
Oh look, all the Coke is gone though, so you can maybe put the other ones in now. There's room.
Oh my goodness, Jackson. That was terrible. Okay.
Jackson, your hair just went in that.
So we tried to do the Mentos Coke one. Look at all the Mentos. You'll have a packet in there.
Just count it.
But unfortunately, the microwave has died. It's quite sad. It served us well. We had good fun with the spicy pad, the eggs. So, but you can see actually from the plastic one
By the way, you see?
how badly it blew that one.
No, hold
And
it.
obviously the glass one didn't explode.
Okay, so comment down below what else you want us to put in the microwave, and also comment down below if you want us to get a new microwave.
Excuse me.
And like, subscribe, hit the wee notification bell so you can get notified when we post a new video. Bye!
Alright guys, see you later. Bye. Jeez, you can speak now, Phoenix.
What?